Hi guys, and welcome back to Tips and Pips, and we're going to be analysing gold. And price is currently at $1,764.65, and it's been an incredible, bull run from late last week to the beginning of this week, and we've seen some magnificent gains this week, and I'll get into some details in a moment. But just before I do, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to join my Telegram group. It is completely free to join. You can join by scanning the QR code on your screen, and also the link is in the description of this video. Within this Telegram group, I share market research and analysis along with trading entries and signals, so feel free to join, and like I said, it is completely free. So we have seen a massive bull run over the past few sessions, and let's run through the technicals first, and then we'll go into some of the fundamentals like the news and what's come about. So we've been in this nice downtrend ever since the war broke out between Russia and Ukraine. Often gold is very bullish and other raw materials are very bullish in recession and in wars, but that hasn't been the case. The US dollar has been very strong in this recession and within this war, although the USA are not, America are not actually directly involved. It still obviously affects the dollar, as everything's mainly dollarized. We have seen a nice breakout of this downward trend, and a nice retest here. So I am incredibly bullish on gold, along with, as I mentioned before, crude oil over the long term. But if you was in my signal team, we made a fantastic gain early this week, where we took our profits at our 200-day EMA, which I was advising you guys, if we did get a nice bearish candle, which we did see Thursday last week, very bullish candle. We could have kind of exhausted here, but we did not. We broke out and we continued upwards, and I really believe this is due to the crypto market. If you're into crypto, you'd be aware that Bitcoin and a lot of the cryptocurrencies are absolutely plummeted, and this is due to FTX announcing that they're possibly going to be selling to Binance, which is one of their biggest competitors. So it's just very, very volatile market at the moment in the crypto world. So investors are looking to place their money elsewhere, and what better place to put it than a raw material such as gold. And that's what's happened with crude oil also, and that is also what has happened with the Nasdaq 100. Obviously we did have the CPI yesterday, which has helped the Nasdaq 100, but in regards to gold, this is really giving it some real bullish pressure and some real green candles, which has taken up extremely high. You think earlier this week we was at 1,600. We are now gone over $100, $130 within a week, which is fantastic gains if you was an investor in gold. As we know, long term on gold, I'm quite bullish. We do have the likes of the BRICS nations, so Russia and China, accumulating a lot of gold, in a bid to sort of create a reserve currency and de-dollarize the world. Whether that takes place or not, but it's a raw material, and the more they hold, the more valuable it's going to become, as it's less available for the rest of the world. On the RSI, we are approaching our 70 mark, which is considered oversold. So I wouldn't be surprised to see some kind of bearish candle or so in the early sessions of next week. However, gold is looking very strong at the moment.